听台湾看世界，来看中国低压音的平台抖音，伫美国时间19号就会去互禁止。不过美国有媒体来报道，讲川普有咧考虑要来抢救到抖音，要用行政命令来延长到禁令的期限。
伫全美国超过1.7亿用户低影音平台 TikTok， 却下令无买到禁的期限，愈来愈握紧，互用户拢惊惊。
You guys, the government is trying so hard to take TikTok away from. But wait till they find out we're all moving to the Chinese version.
不过，华盛顿邮报美国时间19号报道讲，川普可能会动用行政命令抢救 TikTok， 毫无禁着买期限会搁前60到90天才会做。
Tonight, Donald Trump racing against the clock to save TikTok. Sources are telling us that Trump is considering an executive order to delay the TikTok ban, which is set to take effect on Sunday, the day before he becomes president again.
要伫咧美国时间1月20日就这点内前抢救 TikTok 之歌，纽约时报报道嘛讲 ，TikTok 执行长周秀珠计划要出席川普的就职典礼，李正宏安排和特斯拉创办人马斯克、Meta 执行长祖克伯，佮亚马逊创办人贝佐斯等等科技头人同齐做伙观礼。
All we're looking for is a way to say at the end of the day, TikTok ought to be controlled not by an entity that pays first allegiance to the Communist Party of China.
What do you think of the TikTok CEO coming to inauguration?
Not my favorite thing. Not my favorite thing.
伫总统第一任期要因为威胁美国国家安全，放调要封锁 TikTok 的川普，2024大选期间态度大转变。佮讲若做总统会找找抢救 TikTok 的方法。就算有关周秀珠出席就职典礼的消息，中国母公司拒绝评论，不过嘛会特别收弹 TikTok 带来希望。
你好，我是宋彦明。想掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶紧订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定华视新闻 YouTube 频道。